Hello friends, learning made simple. In this video we shall learn about construction. Chapter 11, class 9th, Maths, NCERT book, exercise 11.1. This is Samir and you are watching My Scholars. If you are new on our channel, please subscribe our channel. So first question is construct an angle of 90 degree at the initial point of a given ray and justify the construction. For this, first of all, we shall draw a ray. So, writing construction also, draw a ray, given ray, AB with initial point A. So drawing array with initial point A. There is a ray with initial point A. In second step, we shall take point A as a center and some radius, taking point A as center and some radius, draw an arc. So this is ray AB. With initial point A and the other point is B. So this point we shall take as a center and draw a suitable, taking a suitable radius, draw an arc beginning from AB. The arc intersect AB at C. Let the arc intersect AB at C. Third point. Taking C as a center, this point C as a center draw an arc of the same radius as before which intersect the previous arc at D. Which intersect this arc at D. Intersect the previous at D. At D. So during third step, this was the first step. A, B. This was the second step. This is the same radius what we have taken in step second, taking A as a center. Second step was this. We had drawn a radius. We had drawn, an arc with suitable radius, which intersected AB at C. Now with the same radius, this is third point, with the same radius, I am drawing another arc intersecting the first one. Another arc intersecting the first one. Say it is point D. Now with taking D as a center and the same radius, draw another arc which intersect the previous arc at E. So we shall write fourth step. With D as a center, draw another arc intersecting the previous. Intersecting the first arc. At E. So this is point E. Intersecting the first arc. This was the first arc at E. Now again, with E and D, taking D and E as center, I'm drawing again till fourth point. Fifth point, taking D and E as centers, and with the same radius, as before, draw arcs 1 and 2. Draw arcs 1 and 2 which are intersecting say at F, at F. This was the first step. Initial point A, and this was B. This was point C, and this is D. And E. C, D, E. Now from D and E as the step fifth, taking the same radius, drawing an arc number 1. Arc number 1. E as a center. Drawing another arc, which is arc number 2, intersecting the first one. Let both the arc intersect at F. This is point F. Arc number 2. Now, draw a ray AX passing through F. Last point is, we shall draw a ray AX passing through F. This way, angle BAF is equal to 90 degree. Let us check whether it is 90 degree or not. See, this is point X. So the angle XAB or BAX is equal to 90 degree. Now we shall measure the angle, whether it is 90 degree or not. It is exactly 90 degree, you can see. Now we shall verify the construction, steps of construction. 90 degree, exactly 90 degree. This point is on this point, this line is on this line. 90 degree. To verify the construction or justification, we shall join A to D, joining A to D. A to D and D to C also, D to C. D to E, and A to E. We have joined AD, justification of construction. Join AD, we have joined AD, CD, DE and AE. By construction. Therefore, by construction, AC is equal to AD and CD and AD. AC is equal to AD and CD, all are equal. So this way, therefore, triangle ACD, this ACD is an equilateral triangle. Since all the sides are equal, so all the angles of equilateral triangle are also equal. Angle DAE, this angle DAE, this angle DAE. CAD, first we take CAD, then DA. Angle CAD, which is equal to 60 degree. Again we shall take, now in this triangle ADE, in triangle ADE. In triangle ADE also, AD equal to ED equal to AE. by the construction. So this way, angle DAE is equal to 60 degree. But AF, this AF, this AF, 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 AF is the bisector of angle DAE, this angle. DAE, this angle. These two angles are equal, means that these two angles are equal. So each angle is of 30 degree. So therefore, angle DAF is equal to half of angle DAE. So that is equal to half of 60 degree. That is 30 degree. But angle BAF, which is 90 degree, this angle BAF, angle BAF is equal to angle BAD plus angle DAF, and BAD is 60 degree. BAD we have written as 60 degree. So BAD is 60 degree. 60 degree plus 30 degree. DAF is 30 degree plus 30 degree. So this way angle BAF is equal to 90 degree, which is the justification of the construction. BAF is equal to 90 degree, this angle. BAF, this is 60 degree, this, and this is half of 60, 30. 60 plus 30, 90 degree. This way, our question number 1 is completed. Now, I am taking question number 2 of the same exercise 11.1. So question number 2 is this. Construct an angle of 45 degree at the initial point of a given ray, and justify the construction. And justify the construction. So steps of construction. First of all, we shall draw a line say it is OA. Drawing a line. Starting point is O. And ending point is E. Not ending, and a point on ray is E. So we write first step. Draw a ray OA with initial point O. Draw a ray OA with initial point O. We have drawn. Second step is construct angle. In second step, we shall construct an angle say B angle BOA is equal to 90 degree. As in question number 1. So first of all, we shall do this second step of construction again. OA. This was the first step. Now the second step, constructing an angle of 90 degree at at O. It is point C. And next is F. See, this is point O. Now at O, constructing an angle of 90 degree. This was C and this was D and this was E in step number in question number 1. C, D and E. Now taking E and D as a center, E and D as a center, and distance more than half of AD, drawing an arc. Taking E as a center, drawing another arc, arc number 1 and arc number 2. Say it is intersecting at F. Now we shall join F to O. F to O. Joining F to O. Say it is point B. Taking this point as G. Now, third step of construction is taking C as a center, C as a center, and radius more than half CF. Draw an arc. So draw. Now taking G as a center, and with the same radius, drawing another arc. 3, first arc was say 3 and second 4. 3 and 4. Where these arcs are intersecting, suppose it is H. Point H. Now, taking G as a center, G as a center, and the same radius, draw arc, arc 4, arc 3, this was. Say the arc 3 and 4 are intersecting at H. So fifth point, draw a ray HO or OH, then angle AOH is equal to 45 degree. So we are drawing this angle is 45 degree. We shall measure whether it is 45 degree or not. Measuring. It is exactly 45 degree. You can see it is exactly 45 degree. This is 40 degree and this is 45 degree. Exactly 45 degree. This one is 90 degree. So this way AOH is 45 degree. Angle AOH is 45 degree. Now justification. For justification, we shall join G to C. C to H. Join C to H. C to H. And also G to H. G to H. This we have done. Justification of the construction now. By construction, angle AOB, angle AOB is equal to 90 degree. And we have joined GH and CH. In triangle OGF, OGH, in triangle OGH, in triangle OGH and triangle OHC, these two triangles. GH is equal to CH. GH is equal to CH. GH is equal to CH. OG is equal to OC. OG is equal to OC. OG, OC. radii of the same circle. These are the arc of equal radii. And these are the radii of the this radii of the same circle. So OG is equal to OG common. OG is common. OH is common. OH is equal to OH, common arc. This way, we see that triangle OGH is congruent to triangle OCH. Triangle OCH. And so, by SSS congruence, therefore, angle GOH is equal to angle COH. So GOH plus COH is equal to 90 degree. GOH plus COH, but angle GOH plus angle COH is equal to 90 degree. CPCT here and here by construction. So therefore twice of angle HOC, twice of angle, or AOH is equal to 90 degree, or angle AOH is equal to 45 degree. AOH is 45 degree. We have AOH is 45 degree. This angle plus this angle is equal to 90 degree, and these two angles are equal. Since these two triangles are congruent, this side equal to this side equal to this side, and this side is common. So when these two angles are congruent, means that sum of these two angles is 90 degree, means that each is 45 degree. So it is the justification of our construction. Hence our construction is justified. And justified the construction. Please like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching My Scholars.